Hello teacher. Are you looking to ensure fair and equal testing conditions for your students? Try using the time limit feature on Google Forms to set a specific duration for each student's exam. Step 1. Open the Google form that you want to set a time limit for. Step 2. Click on the three dots icon in the top right corner of the form. Step 3. Click Add-ons and install Form Limiter. Step 4. Select the desired date and time by clicking on the Limit Type tab. Step 5. Click on the Save button to save your changes. Time limits are only available for forms that have been set up as quizzes. This can be beneficial in a virtual classroom setting to standardize the testing experience for all students and can prevent cheating by limiting the amount of time a student has to look up answers or collaborate with others. For more such tech tips from Interscore that can help teachers like yourself learn new skills, save time, and navigate the digital world, subscribe to our YouTube channel.